Hey, what's up people? Welcome to our channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Messenger video call sound problem on your any kind of smartphone. So let's see guys how to do it. Well guys, a very simple process to solve the problem. The very first thing to do is going to open up your Messenger first. And simply is going to tap the horizontal line in the bottom, tap this one as well. Now simply is going to be tap setting option from here. You just scroll down here, the option called notification and sound, tap this one as well. Now make sure that here all the sound is going to be available here to enable right here. All set from here. Now go back from here and just going to be open up your Messenger and tap and hold your Messenger for a few seconds. We got an interface here, tap the eye icon from here. Now going to be scroll down here, the option called app permission, simply tap this one as well. And make sure that your microphone and the music sound audio going to be enabled. Just going to be tap the microphone, tap allow option from here. Again to go back. Now I'm going to be tap the music and audio option from here, 24 hours. Again here to enable to allow. All set from here. Now simply is going to be all set from down here. Now go back from here. And just going to be tap clear data. Now going to be tap clear cache. Not going to be all data. Make sure about that. It's just going to be tap clear cache. Tap this one as well. Now tap OK. All set guys. Now if you want to be have any problem will be solved guys. So if you found that this video helpful, don't miss out to subscribe my channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching guys.